Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a tutorial on a face mask. There's a link in the description to this pattern as well. So I've made up a bunch of masks and I have just this little bit of fabric left. So I'm going to go ahead and use it for the child size mask. All we got to do is cut the pattern piece out, put it on 4 layers of fabric, 2 for the lining and 2 for the outside, and cut it out. Now you don't have to cut this out perfectly. So now I'm just going to take my pattern piece off and grab the lining, separate it from the outer fabric, and then I'm going to sew across both large curved lines. So I'm sewing the curved seam. I'm going to backstitch. Beginning and the end of both. Of course, these would be right sides together if you have a design. This is a fabric that I hand tie-dyed. And then we'll press. Okay, I'm going to set my seams. Then I'm going to open these up. I'm going to push my seam to one side. The outside fabric. The same for the inside fabric. So now we're going to make sure that the fabrics are orientated the same direction and with right sides together. I'm going to pin just at the seam here. Both sides. Now I also want to iron my ends towards the wrong side of the fabric about 1/4 of an inch. This gives us a nice edge when we go to finish and put the elastic in. The elastic I use is a hair rubber band for each side. I picked those up at Dollar Tree. You get 30 of them or so. Right sides together. I'm going to sew this edge and that edge. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and match my sides, making sure that my fabric that I folded is going in the right direction. Backstitch. So, both sides. Same thing for the other side. Okay, so now all we have to do is flip this right side out through one of the sides. And then we want to iron our seams here with the, hopefully no lining shows to the front. Both sides. Sometimes the edges want to stay tucked in. Okay. Now all we have to do is put the elastic, 2 more seams, and we're done. On a hard surface for me to pin these on. So all I do is I make sure the metal part of the hair tie is against the fabric there that I'm going to, and then fold this over. Do that for both sides. You might want to see if you need to adjust the fit, especially if it's a child. You might need to put a knot in the elastic. You might need to make a bigger seam here or a smaller seam. That's it. Take this over to the machine and sew it up. So I have my pin here. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to try to sew as close as I can to this edge. I want to make sure that the elastic is on the outside. Backstitch, of course. Both sides. And it kind of got wrinkled. And that's it. All we have to do is trim off our threads, and we have a completed face mask in under 10 minutes. I hope you found this tutorial and pattern to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more free patterns and tutorials. Have a great day.